Alright supercar fans, let's talk about the 2024 Dacia Duster, the SUV that refuses to back down. This rugged beast has been a fan favorite for years, and now it's back with a fresh new look, improved technology, and even better performance. But let's be real, no car is perfect, and if you're already behind the wheel of a 2024 Duster, you might have a few questions or small issues that need fixing. That's where we come in. Today we're diving into the most common problems Duster owners are facing and more importantly, how to fix them fast. From minor glitches to hidden features you didn't even know about, we've got you covered. And trust me, some of these solutions will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. So, if you love your Duster but want to make it even better, smash that like button, hit subscribe to Supercar, and let's get those issues sorted. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails, the Duster is built to handle it all. Its robust suspension system and high ground clearance make it perfect for those who love to explore the great outdoors. The 2024 model is better than ever. Dacia has listened to customer feedback and made significant improvements to the Duster. The new model features an updated design that is both stylish and functional, with improved aerodynamics and a more spacious interior. The seats are more comfortable and there's more legroom for passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. Dacia has made some exciting improvements. The 2024 Duster comes with a range of new features that enhance the driving experience. From advanced safety systems to the latest in-car technology, this SUV is packed with innovations that make every drive safer and more enjoyable. The improved engine options offer better performance and fuel efficiency, ensuring that you get the most out of every mile. The Duster is ready to take on any challenge. Whether you're driving through rough terrain or climbing steep hills, the Duster's powerful engine and advanced traction control system ensure that you can tackle any obstacle with ease. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it a trusted companion for all your adventures. The Duster has always been known for its value. It's one of the most economical SUVs on the market, offering great performance and features at a price that won't break the bank. It's the perfect choice for families, with plenty of space for passengers and luggage, and a range of practical features that make everyday driving easier. But don't let the price fool you. Despite its affordability, the 2024 Dacia Duster doesn't compromise on quality or features. The interior is luxurious, with premium materials and a high-tech dashboard that includes a large touchscreen display, advanced navigation system, and seamless smartphone integration. It's a car that offers both comfort and convenience, making every journey a pleasure. This SUV is packed with features. From the latest infotainment system to advanced driver assistance technologies, the 2024 Duster has everything you need for a safe and enjoyable drive. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of safety, while the high-quality sound system and connectivity options keep you entertained and connected on the go. It can handle tough terrain. It's also fuel efficient. The Duster's advanced engine options not only provide excellent performance but also ensure that you get great fuel economy. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient ride that saves you money at the pump. No wonder the Duster is so popular in Europe and beyond. Its combination of rugged capability, modern features, and unbeatable value has made it a favorite among drivers all over the world. The 2024 Dacia Duster is a testament to Dacia's commitment to quality and innovation, and it's ready to take on whatever challenges lie ahead. The first thing you'll notice is the Duster's new look. It's bolder and more modern. The front grille is more prominent, the headlights are sleeker and use LED technology. The Duster also has new alloy wheel designs. These range from 16 to 18 inches. Dacia cares about the environment. They used recycled materials in the Duster's construction. The bumpers and some interior parts contain recycled plastic. This makes the Duster a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. The Duster's interior has also been upgraded. The cabin is more spacious and comfortable. The materials are higher quality than before. The seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The Duster comes with a new infotainment system. It has an 8-inch touchscreen. It's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find helpful features like a rear-view camera and parking sensors. Under the hood, the Duster offers a range of engine options. These engines are designed to provide a balance between power and efficiency. ensuring that you get the best performance without compromising on fuel economy. Whether you're looking for a robust engine for off-road adventures or a more economical option for city driving, the Duster has something to offer. You can choose from petrol, diesel, and even a bi-fuel LPG engine. Each engine type has its own set of advantages, catering to different driving needs and preferences. The petrol engines are known for their smooth performance and quick acceleration, making them ideal for urban environments. The diesel engines, on the other hand, offer excellent fuel efficiency and are perfect for long-distance travel. And then there's the bi-fuel LPG engine, which provides the flexibility of using both petrol and LPG, giving you the best of both worlds. The LPG option is particularly interesting. Not only does it reduce your carbon footprint, but it also offers significant cost savings. LPG is generally cheaper than petrol or diesel, and with the Duster's bi-fuel system, you can switch between fuels seamlessly. It's more environmentally friendly than petrol or diesel. This makes the Duster a great choice for those who are conscious about their environmental impact. The reduced emissions from LPG contribute to cleaner air and a healthier planet. It also helps you save money on fuel costs. With the rising prices of petrol and diesel, having an LPG option can significantly reduce your running costs. Over time, these savings can add up, making the Duster not just an environmentally friendly choice but also an economical one. All engines are paired with either a manual or automatic gearbox. This allows you to choose the driving experience that suits you best. The manual gearbox offers a more engaging driving experience, giving you full control over gear changes. The automatic gearbox, on the other hand, provides a more relaxed and effortless drive, especially in heavy traffic. The Duster is available in both front-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. The front-wheel drive is perfect for city driving, offering good fuel efficiency and easy handling. The four-wheel drive, however, is designed for those who love adventure. It provides better traction and stability on rough terrains, making it ideal for off-road enthusiasts. This means there's a Duster for everyone, regardless of your driving needs or lifestyle. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a reliable and economical car, or an adventure seeker in need of a robust and capable vehicle, the Duster has got you covered. From city dwellers to off-road enthusiasts, the Duster is designed to meet a wide range of needs. Its versatility, combined with its range of engine options and drive configurations, makes it a popular choice among drivers. So, no matter where your journey takes you, the Duster is ready to accompany you every step of the way. Section 5. Ready for adventure. Speaking of off-roading, the Duster is more than capable. It has good ground clearance and approach angles. The four-wheel drive system provides excellent traction on slippery surfaces. You can even get hill descent control for added safety on steep slopes. The Duster is ready for your next adventure. Whether you're exploring the countryside or just navigating a snowy driveway, the Duster can handle it. Section 6. Sleeping under the stars. There's something magical about spending a night under a canopy of stars. The vast expanse of the night sky, dotted with countless twinkling lights, creates a serene and awe-inspiring atmosphere. It's a reminder of the beauty and grandeur of the natural world, and it offers a unique opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. One of the coolest things about the Duster is the optional sleep pack. This innovative feature is designed for those who love the great outdoors and want to experience the freedom of camping without the hassle of setting up a traditional tent. The sleep pack includes everything you need for a comfortable night's sleep, right in the back of your Duster. This clever accessory transforms the back of the Duster into a double bed. Imagine being able to park your car in a scenic spot, open the back, and have a cozy bed ready for you in minutes. It's like having a mobile hotel room that you can take anywhere. The double bed setup is spacious and comfortable, ensuring you get a good night's sleep no matter where you are. It's perfect for camping trips or just taking a break on a long road trip. Whether you're exploring a national park, driving along a scenic route, or simply need a rest during a long journey, the sleep pack provides a convenient and comfortable solution. You can enjoy the flexibility of stopping wherever you like and having a ready-made sleeping arrangement at your disposal. The sleep pack is easy to install and remove. You don't need any special tools or technical skills to set it up. The process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. This means you can quickly switch between using your Duster for everyday driving and transforming it into a cozy sleeping space whenever you need it. It shows that Dacia understands the needs of adventurous drivers. The sleep pack is just one example of how the Duster is designed to enhance your outdoor experiences. Whether you're an avid camper, a weekend warrior, or someone who loves spontaneous road trips, the Duster and its sleep pack offer the perfect combination of practicality and adventure. It's just another reason why the Duster is such a great all-around vehicle. Its versatility, combined with thoughtful features like the sleep pack, makes it an ideal choice for those who value both comfort and adventure. With the Duster, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a reliable companion for all your journeys, ready to take you wherever the road leads. Section 7, Dacia Duster, a global success story. The Duster isn't sold in the United States, that's a shame because it would be a hit here. But the Duster is hugely popular in Europe and other markets. It's known for its value, practicality, and ruggedness. The Duster appeals to a wide range of drivers. It's perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants a reliable and affordable SUV. Section 8, Why we love the Duster, and you should too. The Dacia Duster is a breath of fresh air in the SUV market. It proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a capable and stylish vehicle. It's packed with features. It's fun to drive. It's perfect for both everyday use and weekend adventures. We love the Duster's no-nonsense attitude. It's a vehicle that's built to be used and enjoyed. Section 9, Duster, coming to America? We can only hope that Dacia will bring the Duster to the US market someday. This SUV would be a welcome addition. It would shake things up. It would offer American drivers a practical and affordable alternative to more expensive SUVs. Until then, we'll just have to admire the Duster from afar. Keep an eye out for it on your next trip to Europe or Latin America. You might just fall in love.